Today I'm going to solve the trivial challenges in OWASP Juice Shop, which is an intentionally vulnerable web application. And the solutions to all of these challenges can be found in the official book made by the developer called Owning the OWASP Juice Shop. So the first challenge that we're going to solve is called the scoreboard challenge, and this is the challenge which is going to help you track all of your other challenges. So the first thing you need is the developer console. So in Chrome you can hit F12 to bring up the developer console. Go to the sources tab and then to main.js, and using this you can pretty print the entire file. Now in order to find the scoreboard, what we are going to do is we're going to find anything that is related to score, and we're gonna go through the entire file and see if there's something that is remotely similar to a URL, a link, or a path. So you're going to find it quite towards the end. Is that, yeah, this kind of looks like the link, but let's go forward and let's see if we have something else. Yeah, even over here we can see that there's path scoreboard, and so I'm going to copy this and let's see if this is the link for scoreboard. And as you can see, we have solved the scoreboard challenge. So now let's see. The next challenge that we have is, so all of these are trivial challenges, and for this video I'm only going to solve the trivial challenges. The next challenge is admin section challenge. So again, this is a more of a discovery challenge, and to be honest, in the real world, if you want to solve such challenges, you don't have to do anything manually. You can use something like dir buster, which can go through all your directories using a word list and tell you which directories are present. So I already know the solution to this. It's administration. So and coincidentally we also solved another challenge called error handling. I really don't know how we did. I think perhaps okay, well, I don't really know how, but we solved this challenge as well. So going back to the scoreboard, we can see that we solved 3 out of the 8 trivial challenges that we have. Then access a confidential document. Again, this is to do with discovery. All of these challenges are quite trivial, and I already know this, but if you are not aware of this, you have to actually first walk through the happy path through the application, and you have to just figure stuff out. So while you're doing that, you might come across the About Us page, and then you're gonna go and see this link over here. And as I hover over this link, you can see that this leads to a directory called FTP. So we go to the FTP directory, which I think we'll have to move that hash. And over here, the confidential document that we're looking for is this acquisitions.md, which stands for markdown. And yeah, this is the confidential document. So again, we have solved one of the trivial challenges that we have. Going back to the scoreboard, we can, I think we solved 4 out of 8 challenges, as of yet. Yeah, so then we have redirects tier 1. Again, I'm going quite quickly through this because I've already done this, but you have to first just go through the entire application and see if there if there are any surfaces that you can attack. So for this one, we actually need to have an account. So I'm gonna go ahead and say not a customer, and I'm just gonna give in a fake email and some fake passwords. Security question, paternal grandmother's first name, ASTF. So now we can log in using our email and password and remember me, and we have logged in. So let's go to your basket, I think, and I don't really know. Acha, okay. So for this, what you have to do is you have to again go back to sources, and in main.js you pretty print this file, and then you find redirect. So I think this is the redirect that we're looking for, and let's see if it works. If you just simply paste it over here, did it work or not? I don't know. I think we have to paste it over here. Okay, so yeah, we solved that challenge, and then we got redirected. So we solved 4 out of 8 challenges. Oh no, wait, we also solved that challenge, right? Where did this go? Solved redirects as well. Yeah, so anyway, we're gonna do that later, and then there's the reflected XSS, which we can do using the search functionality. So if you simply search for this, that result is also going to be displayed over there, and so we've got the I performed the DOM XSS. Right, sorry. But then we also have the track order, where you can put the XSS payload as the tracking ID, and we got the XSS. So we solved the DOM and reflected XSS, and going back to the scoreboard, we can see that there's only one challenge left called 0 stars, and so I think this has something to do with the feedback. Yeah, so comment, let's say 0 stars. What is 1 minus 2 minus 6? Well, minus 1 minus 6 minus 7, right? I hope so. Anyway, so we cannot submit until we have put in a rating. So I guess we just do a simple how to do, yeah, simple inspect element, and let's see what's in here. And we have submit. So okay, so when I changed the rating, something changed over here. I did not exactly see it. Let's refresh and see. Okay, 3 minus 15 is minus 12. Right, so something changed. Yeah, this disabled was removed. So again, I'm gonna remove this so that submit button gets enabled, and I haven't put in a rating, so that is going to be a 0 stars rating. So that's it for the trivial challenges.